Welcome everyone. I'm Marlu, and today we're diving into how artificial intelligence is reshaping teaching and learning. Whether you're excited or unsure about AI in education, my goal is to give you a clear, grounded understanding of where we are, what's possible, and what we should watch for. Let's start with a quick definition. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines and software that can simulate aspects of human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, and language understanding. In education, AI is showing up in tools that personalize learning, support grading, or even act as teaching assistants. And while it's still evolving, it's already making an impact and raising important questions. So, why does this matter? Because as educators, we shape how technology is used in our classrooms. Understanding AI helps us use it wisely, ethically, and effectively. AI didn't appear overnight. We started with basic computer programs decades ago. Think drill and practice learning software in the 80s and 90s. Then came adaptive learning systems that adjusted based on how students performed. These were early steps toward personalization. Today, with the rise of machine learning and natural language processing, think ChatGPT, we're seeing AI systems that can write essays, tutor students, and analyze data in real time. Here are some of the main ways AI is being used today. Intelligent tutoring systems like Carnegie Learning provide real-time support tailored to each student. Personalized learning platforms like Khan Academy's AI features adjust pacing and difficulty as students learn. Automated grading and feedback tools can check multiple choice or short answer questions and even essays. And virtual teaching assistants help answer student questions or manage routine tasks. These aren't just tech trends, they're tools already changing daily instruction in some classrooms. AI offers some meaningful benefits. It supports individualized instruction, letting students learn at their own pace. Teachers can track progress in real time, identifying students who need help faster. It can reduce workload, especially for repetitive tasks like grading or generating lesson ideas. And importantly, AI can increase accessibility for students with learning differences or language barriers. Used thoughtfully, AI can free teachers to focus more on human-centered teaching, mentoring, coaching, and inspiring. Let's look at a few real-world tools using AI today. Duolingo uses AI to personalize language lessons, making learning more efficient and fun. Gradescope or ScribeSense assist with grading, even recognizing handwriting or patterns in student answers. Dreambox provides adaptive math instruction for kindergarten to 8th grade students, adjusting in real time to meet each learner's needs. These tools show how AI can enhance, not replace, good instruction. One thing is clear: teachers are still essential. AI doesn't replace the relationships, empathy, or creative decision making that teachers bring. Instead, it works best when used alongside educators. We can think of AI as a creative co pilot, helping generate ideas, automate small tasks, or suggest next steps, but always under the guidance of human expertise and judgment. Of course, we also need to talk about the challenges. Data privacy is a major issue. Who's collecting student data and how is it used? Bias in algorithms can reinforce inequalities if we're not careful about how systems are trained. Over-reliance on automation can dull critical thinking for both students and teachers. And not all teachers have equal access to training or tools, deepening the digital divide. These are real concerns, and they require thoughtful policies, support, and dialogue. Ethical use of AI starts with transparency. We need to understand how decisions are being made by these systems. We must also ensure equity, so that all students, not just those in well-resourced schools, can benefit from these tools. And finally, informed consent is key. Students and parents deserve to know how their data is being used and why. Ethics in AI isn't a sidebar. It's the foundation of responsible innovation in education. So where's this all heading? Predictive analytics may help identify at-risk students earlier and tailor interventions. We'll see more immersive learning combining AI with VR or AR to simulate real-world environments. AI could help generate adaptive curriculum, adjusting content dynamically. And perhaps most exciting, AI might begin supporting emotional and social learning, detecting student mood and engagement to tailor support. The future holds amazing potential if we lead with ethics and intention. To wrap up, AI in education brings incredible opportunities and some serious responsibilities. It can support personalization, reduce burnout, and open up new ways to teach and learn. But it also demands that we stay critical, curious, and compassionate as we integrate these tools. So my call to action is this: embrace AI but stay informed. Test new tools, reflect on your experiences, and keep the learner at the center. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What excites you or concerns you about AI in the classroom? Here are some tools and resources mentioned in this video: Duolingo, Dreambox, Gradescope, Khan Academy. Here's a book recommendation. Title: Artificial Intelligence in Education: Promises and Implications for Teaching and Learning. Author: Wayne Holmes, Maya Bialik, and Charles Fidel. Published by Center for Curriculum Redesign, 2019. Why it's great. This book is written specifically for educators and curriculum developers. It explores the current and future impact of AI on teaching, learning, and assessment, while raising key ethical and pedagogical questions. It's clear, well-structured, and grounded in practical implications. There's a free PDF of the book available from curriculumredesign.org. Here's an article on AI. Title: 4 Time-Saving AI Tools for Teachers. Author: Stephen Nunu. Date: January 5th, 2024. Why it's great. This article is practical and teacher-friendly. It discusses real classroom uses of AI tools. The article highlights 4 educator-tested AI tools that help automate time-consuming tasks such as lesson planning, content differentiation, writing feedback, and interactive presentation design, freeing teachers to spend more time with students. You can read it on Edutopia. Feel free to explore more on my channel, The Digital Teacher's Desk. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this topic helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your ideas in the comments and what topics you'd like to see next. Take a look on the other great book recommendations at the end of this video. Here are more reading recommendations about AI in education. Brave New Words: How AI Will Revolutionize Education and Why That's a Good Thing. Author: Salman Khan, founder of Khan Academy. Published May 14th, 2024. Featured as a Penguin Random House bestseller. Bill Gates recommends it and states, "If you're passionate about education, you need to read this book." It covers how AI tools like Khanmigo, GPT-based tutors, can expand personalized learning while keeping human connection central. It addresses ethical, societal, and practical considerations for using AI in classrooms and families. See the book link on Amazon in the description. It's available in audiobook, Kindle, and hardcover. In addition, a broader New York Times best-selling AI-related book that touches on alignment and fairness, but not specifically education, is Co-Intelligence by Ethan Mollick. Recognized as a New York Times bestseller, this book explores practical and ethical uses of AI in daily work and learning contexts. The link to this book on Amazon is available in audiobook, Kindle, and hardcover. Click on the link in the video description to take you directly to the book. And that's it for now. See you next time on the Digital Teacher's Desk channel.